You want your WordPress site to look perfect on desktop, tablet and mobile. Today I will show you how to use the Bricks Builder for fully responsive layouts, step by step. Hi, I am Natalie. Responsive design isn't just nice to have, it's essential. In this video, you will learn how breakpoints work, how to adjust for each device and how to avoid common mistakes. What looks great on desktop often needs refinement on smaller screens. Fonts, margins, paddings, column stacking all change. Bricks gives 4 default breakpoints for desktop, tablet portrait, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. Styles set at the base, breakpoint inherit down. And that means you must review each breakpoint. The base breakpoint is the top level breakpoint where styles are initially defined. And by default, this is the largest one, common called desktop. Let's open Bricks. Step number 1, you start with the desktop. It's the base breakpoint. You design your page. Then you click the breakpoint icon or use Command or Control B to switch. In tablet portrait, you adjust the widths, the margins, the paddings, and hide or show elements. And step number 3, you do the same for mobile landscape and mobile portrait. Use the Builder toolbar to switch quickly. If your project requires custom size, say large screens or odd devices, enable custom breakpoints in Bricks, Settings, General and Custom Breakpoints. Let me show you here in the Bricks Settings under the General tab. Then you will open the breakpoints in Bricks in the Builder and create a new one. Click on this plus icon. Let's say large. You can pause breakpoints if you are not using so they don't bloat your CSS. And important, after editing, click Regenerate CSS files so changes apply. And to restore to the default values of a default breakpoint, click on the Reset Breakpoints inside the settings. Notice the responsive control indicator in Bricks. It shows which control values differ per breakpoint. Best practice, minimize, override, start desktop, and then adjust only where needed. Avoid hiding too much content on mobile just for convenience. It can harm UX and SEO. Mistake number 1, designing desktop, then forgetting mobile layout breaks. Mistake number 2, using too many custom breakpoints. CSS becomes huge. Mistake number 3, not regenerating CSS after custom breakpoint changes. Front end mismatch. Mistake number 4, relying solely on desktop design needs testing on real devices or emulator. Now let's set the global layout for my largest breakpoint, 1400 pixels. Inside theme styles, I open elements, container, and here I only change 2 values. Width stays at 100%, so the container can scale fluidly with the viewport, and then I set the max width to 1240 pixels. And this gives me a comfortable reading width on large screens without stretching the content edge to edge. Next, I open the typography panel. And because this is my largest breakpoint, I keep the HTML font size exactly the same, 62.5%, and this value is global for the entire website and I never change it per breakpoint. And for the body font size is set using a CSS variable, so I enter var text m from my core framework. So Bricks automatically applies the correct size and scaling here. All the other responsive changes, spacing, layout, and individual text size happen directly inside the Bricks editor per section. And that's it. This is exactly how I set up responsive layouts inside Bricks Builder. Simple, clean, and responsive. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and stay tuned. A lot more Bricks content is coming.